So dear teachers, to register your Gmail ID with the email with the Microsoft ID of your students, what you have to do is click on Google Chrome and type over here office.com and press enter. Once you press enter, you will have this page in front of you. You have to click on switch to a different account. Okay, you have to click on that, and you have to either you can type the email address, or what you can do is, if you have the spreadsheet with you, with the child's spreadsheet, that Google Form spreadsheet of the ID and the password, you can just click on this ID and press Control plus C for copy it, and then you go on to the tab of the MS Office, and here you click, and you just have to press Control plus V. So here in this way the ID has been like pasted, and you can just check it for B Gunisha Jaitley at presentation convent.on microsoft.com, and you have to click on sign in. So once this has been signed in, you again go to the spreadsheet over here. You have to click on this tab, and then you click on the password of the child, and again Control plus C, copy, and then you again go to this tab that is signed into your account, this tab, MS Office tab. You click on that, you click on the password, and you have to again press Control plus V, paste the ID, the password has been pasted over here, and then you click on sign in. Just waiting. So this has been, I have signed into Gunisha's account. Now here I go to the right top corner here, the initial is there for Gunisha Jaitley, that is GJ. So I click on that, and I click on the second option, that is my account. You click on that. When you click on my account, another page will open. I am just waiting. It's taking time. Now this child's page is ready. So I click on set up self-service password reset. This will come under security info. The first option, that is set up self-service password reset. When I click on this, I get another page. Okay, so now here, since the parent has already registered the mail ID, I will get a this thing option as change. Otherwise, you will get an option as set it up now. So if the if the parent has not registered, you will get a message of set it up now. If the parent has already registered his or her mail ID, you will get an option as change. So you click on change, and here instead of the parent's ID, you click on you type in your email ID. So I have typed in mine, anisha.xavier93@gmail.com, and then I will click on the option email me. Now I have got the verification code in my mail ID. So what I can do is, since I have already logged into my Gmail account and it's ready over here, I click on the plus new tab, and I just straight away go to this Gmail, and I have it on my laptop. Otherwise, you can also use your mobile phones if it is already in, if the Gmail is in your mobile, like if you have that app in your mobile, you can use mobile phone as well. So I will be just showing you how to do from the mobile also. Like here I have it in on my mail. I click on that, and here I have already got the code. So here also I am going to copy paste. I just double click and copy it. I go back to the MS Office account, paste and verify. So teachers, this is just a think about copy paste. If you have everything on this your tab, These three things, if these three things are on your tab, it is going to be very easy, very quick. You, after that, you have to click on finish and it is done. The three things which are supposed to be on your tab is, first is your spreadsheet. I'll just show you, just a second. So now we have changed her Gmail ID. Now it has been linked to my Gmail ID. Yeah, so coming back to the three things which should be there on your the screen is, the first tab should have the spreadsheet ready to copy paste it, to the Microsoft Office. The second should be the Microsoft or MS Office, the main page, and the third page should be your Gmail page, wherein you can, just quickly access to the mail ID, where the verification code would be coming. Now coming back to this MS Office, this thing, the page, you will go to account man, like Gunisha Jetli again over here, and you have to sign out from this. After signing out, you will pick which account do you want to sign out of. Gunisha Jetli, click on that. You've signed out of that account. You next use another account and you just go on with the next child's ID password changing. That's it, teachers. It's easy. It's just all about copy pasting things.